Hi everyone and welcome back to our NurtureCRM Help series. In today's video, we are going to look at one of the most powerful support tool inside NurtureCRM, the one-click feature. One-click is designed to make your work easier. It helps you instantly report any issues, bugs, or even share a feedback directly with our tech team. No need to raise any tickets separately on WhatsApp chats. Everything can be done within seconds right from your screen. So let's start and see how it works. So when should you use one click? You can use one click button in two situations. When you face any issues or bugs, or when you want to share any feedback or suggestions to our team. Any kind of issues or problems that you're facing within the software, you can able to share us the details within using this one click solution. How can you use one click button? So using one click is extremely simple. You can just click on one click option onto the right side down below. On every page of Nurture, you could find this option of one click. Just click on one click button. A pop-up will be appear in which you can able to select two options. Either you can report the bug or you can send a feedback within us. So let's say I'm going to click report bug option. So when you click on report bug, you can see these three screenshot options. Either you can capture the full screen option, or if you want to specify any kind of window screenshot, you can able to do that, or you can capture the entire selected area in which you want the issue to be visible. So let's say I'm going to click on select area. You can mention which area you require the problem happens. Just click on here. So when you click, it will ask to either save the data, save it, and when you come down, you could able to find describe option. Okay, so once you type this short description of the issue or feedback, this will help our developers to understand what the exact issue is. You can type the issue over here. Let's say I'm going to type test ABC, and you can send the report with our dev team. That's it. Your ticket is now created and just within one click. So what happens after you log an issue or a feedback? So when you log an issue over one click solutions, the data will be directly going with our development team. No wait, no routing through multiple departments. Your issue will be automatically cleared within these three levels. So we have three levels of understanding. We have L1, L2, and L3. So L1 is basically a misunderstanding or clarification. Let's say you are facing any issues, and this is very small user side misunderstanding which will be resolved within 4 hours. Any kind of small issues that you face or a misunderstanding in the future, this will be cleared within 4 hours. L2 is basically a functional issue. Any part of the system is temporarily not working or as expected, and the team will be evaluating the issue and the problem will be resolved within 24 hours in L2 ticket. And if it's L3 and high level issue, these require a deeper analytics or development changes. You receive an action plan within 4 to 5 hours, but the actual fix may take 24 hours or more depending on the complexity of the issue that you're facing. So how can you follow up after the tickets? Right. So basically, when you request the data will be directly going with our tech team. They will be evaluating and acknowledging the issue. And within the system of L1 or L2 or L3, they will evaluate the issue and they will provide you back the timeline within the issue that happening. Okay. Just want to understand our tech team will be on leave on weekends. If a ticket is raised on Saturday or Sunday, the issue will be addressed on Monday as a team is not working on weekends. Coming back to Nurture again, we will also explain how the feedback can be analyzed. You can again click on one click option over here, send feedback, and here you can able to add any kind of feedback or suggestions that you want. You can able to highlight it here and you can send it from here. So our team will be getting a feedback of your expectation on the product and all these details can be highlighted in this option. So that's it on one click. So one click is one of the simplest and fastest solution to effectively connect us back for any kind of support or development from the product. It helps you to report the issue specifically and the feedback will be on the moment once you raise the issue. So next time you face any challenges, feel free to get us back on one click options. Thanks for watching, and we will see you back in a new video. Thank you.